Hello everyone. In this module number 10, we will study formation of three pairs of partially miscible liquids. This point comes under three component systems. Basically, we should know what are the different types of three component systems. These are the three types of these three component systems. Type number 1 is the formation of one pair of partially miscible liquids. Type number 2, formation of two pairs of partially miscible liquids. And type number 3 is the formation of three pairs of partially miscible liquids. In this module, we specifically talk on type number 3, that is formation of three pairs of partially miscible liquids. The best example of such a system is succinic nitrile, water and ether. This is a phase diagram of this system. Here, capital English letter A, B and C is indicating succinic nitrile, water and ether composition respectively. The phase diagram shows the changes in miscibility of two partially miscible liquid by the progressive addition of third liquid. The diagram consists of three binodal curves with their own plate points. Each binodal curve shows the changes in composition of two liquid layers in presence of the third liquid. Now, we will see what are the different binodal curves are present in this phase diagram. Let's start with curve A. So, in this phase diagram, the curve ADB here is the curve ADB, which is shown by green color portion, in which the liquid layer composed of B and C containing A. When two liquids B and C are mixed, then two layers are formed, in which one containing C in B and the second B in C of composition A and B respectively will be obtained. Means when the water and ether are mixed, due to its partial solubility with each other, it forms two liquid layers. One liquid layer is water containing ether and the another liquid layer is ether containing water. Now, the progressive addition of A takes place. Means the addition of succinic nitrile takes place in two liquid layers composed of B and C. It changes their composition to A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3. So here in this diagram, A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3 are shown by such a tie lines. Finally, when sufficient amount of A is added, the two layers have identical composition and merge into each other to form a single homogeneous solution at the plate point D. Means when the sufficient addition of the succinic nitrile is added to the mixture of B and C, then there at a point D, the homogeneous solution is formed. This is all about the curve number 1. Now move towards the curve number 2. So in this phase diagram, curve A dash, D dash and B dash, these blue color curve is the second binodal curve in which the liquid layers composed of A and C containing B. When two liquids A and C are mixed, then it forms two layers, one containing A in C and the other C in A, of composition A dash and B dash respectively will be obtained. Means when we add the succinic nitrile and ether, due to its partial miscibility, it forms the two liquid layers. As they are partially soluble with each other, it forms two liquid layers, one containing succinic nitrile in ether and the another layer containing ether in succinic nitrile. And when the progressive addition of B or water to the two liquid layers composed of A and C changes their composition to A-1, A-2, A-3, etc., etc., and B-1, B-2, B-3. So here are the points that are A-1, B-1, A-2, B-2, A-3, B-3. These are the tie lines which shows the composition of these two liquids. Finally, when sufficient amount of B or water is added, the two layers have identical composition and merge into each other to form a single homogeneous solution at the plate point D dash. So here is the plate point D dash for this second curve, which is shown by the blue color portion. Now move towards the curve number 3. So here in this diagram, this is a curve number 3 which is shown by red color portion, which is formed by liquid layers composed of A and B containing C. Means the succinic nitrile and water containing ether. In this, when two liquids that is A and B are mixed, two layers are formed. Due to its partial miscibility, it forms the two layers, one containing B in A and the second or another containing A in B, of composition A double dash and B double dash respectively. Means when we add the succinic nitrile into water and they mixed with each other, hence due to its partial solubility with each other, it forms two liquid layers, one liquid layer containing succinic nitrile in water and the another one is water in succinic nitrile. The progressive addition of C now takes place. Means the progressive addition of the ether takes place to the two liquid layers composed of A and B, changes their composition to A double dash 1, A double dash 2, A double dash 3, etc. And B double dash 1, B double dash 2, B double dash 3. So this composition that is here, you can see the A double dash 1, B double dash 1, A double dash 2, B double dash 2, A double dash 3, B double dash 3. So these are the various tie lines for this binodal curve. And finally, when sufficient amount of C or ether is added, the two layers have identical composition and merge into each other to form a single homogeneous solution at the plate point D double dash. So for this third curve, this D double dash is the plate point. Now, in such a way, we discuss these three curves, curve number 1, curve number 2 and curve number 3. Now, any mixture of liquid A, B and C of composition lying either within the curve of ADB, within the curve of ADB or A dash, D dash, B dash, also by A double dash, D double dash and B double dash, which gives two liquid layers of compositions given by corresponding tie lines. Means in this phase diagram, the blue color portion, green color portion and the red color portion is the area, is showing the area under the curve. Means all these portions are showing the information about the area under the curve, but the area under the curve is showing the two liquid layers, while the area outside the three binodal curve will produce the single homogeneous solution. So in this phase diagram, the yellow colored portion is giving the information for the single homogeneous solution formation. Means in short, within this binodal curve there is a formation of two liquid layers, and outside this binodal curve is showing the formation of single liquid layer or single homogeneous solution. So in such a way that in this module we discussed the three pairs of partially miscible liquid, and here the discussion about this point is end. Important to note that please download the uploaded study material of this module for further study. Please submit the assignment of this module in given stipulated time, and please provide the valuable feedback and suggestions about this module. Thank you for watching this module. In the next module, we will discuss the important concept of the phase equilibria. Thank you, everyone.